And I'm gonna be taking that girl home to go see my daddy. We are kind of late, but it's no fault of mine, so that's great news. Shanice, how you feeling? You are the reason for our lateness. All she does is ignore me and use her phone. All she does. Yeah, it's mad like what I'm talking about. I'm talking to you and you're not even paying me any money. So we made it in time for the Greyhound. If I'm talking loads because I don't want him to stare at me. So the journey is supposed to be 2 hours 15 minutes and the Wi-Fi works. So thank God. So I'm just gonna listen to music and respond to some of you guys' comments. See you when I get there. Good morning. So I wake up and I'm starving because I barely ate yesterday. But I'm trying to make like this frozen pizza. But I can't get the oven to work. Like at all. Like at all. Apparently my brother was here all this time. Didn't know. So he's leaving to go to school and I'm like, do you know how to work the oven? And then he turns it on and all of a sudden it's working. He pressed the same buttons I did. But anyways, now this means I get to have pizza. Pizza is finally ready. And I'm just here. Well, you can't see. But I'm responding to you guys' comments on my vlogs. On the first vlog. I'm really glad you guys like it so far. I was really contemplating vlogging because I don't know, man. I just don't feel like I had anything to vlog. Like now I'm at home every day. It's just like, do I really need to vlog me being at home doing nothing? But I'm gonna do it still. The full paper got stuck to the pizza. And I can't take it off on the vlog. So I'm eating around it. So I'm at the gym with my brother. He's setting up the squat bar. Say hi.
What's good though?
And there's Moses. So yeah, he's setting up. So we're doing legs day. So let's see if I can keep up with his workout.
It'll be something serious.
Okay, so I'll let you guys know when I'm dying. Let's get it. So we just finished our first set of squats. With 4 sets. How many are we doing overall? 12? 12 squats. 12 sets of squats. Ridiculous. So we just finished our workout. How you feel, Moses?
I don't know how you did so well.
I'm not all bad.
Nah, you honestly killed me in this workout. I expected it. I'm not even gonna lie.
Yeah. So we're gonna head back to the house now because Shanice is supposed to get here at like 6:30. I'm not really sure what time it is now. What time is it?
It's
After
like
5?
It's like 5:30.
So we're going to head back to the house, take a quick shower, and go pick up Shanice. So look who it is. This awkward person again. So we're at Chili's because Shanice has never been. And she got to choose where we got to eat. So we're here. There were no really good options. They were all pretty basic. So yeah. there's like 20 to 25-minute wait before we get inside, so we're here. That them don't even check. We have to take 2 different cars because there's so much of us. It's a table of 6. 6 people can't own the car. What are you doing? Are you showing off your body? Look at Chinny's hair. She totally watched my sleek low bun video to do it. Plug. The bun I didn't show much, but you know. So you don't know to make a bun from like Jamaica days?
My hair wouldn't work and I was so frustrated.
You know them people that will just never learn nothing? Shanice that. So yeah, I'm starving and I'm sure Shanice is too. But look at them waves though. My brothers are here. So you guys met Moses earlier. So this is Mel. Hey. 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 Hey.
Dancing.
On any block.
I'm an old person.
She don't know nothing.
I look youngish, but I don't know anything about pop culture.
All you gotta do, it's all about the build up. So it's like, you just gotta come through twice, scoop.
Millie Rock 101.
And then, my favorite is just like the up top, and then you just slide it.
I don't understand this dance.
Just so you know.
Okay, step one, children. Get it together. Step 1.
Step 1. You saw a fly.
Step 1 is you see a fly. That's not even that bad. Go again. Now all together.
Wait, go. What am I always gonna do? This? Is it 2 fly?
Oh, they did this in New York? Yeah. It came out in New York. That's why it's on.
It's a New York dance move.
Yeah. The mini rocky.
You gotta do it good. It's gonna be on the internet. Go.
You need a Billy break.
So we're at a Korean food festival. Yeah, it's outdoors, but it's so cold.
I don't know why it's outdoors. It's October.
Because not everybody hates the cold like you. So yeah, we just got here, so we're gonna try the food. We have a menu. So Shanice got, what do you get again? Bibimbap, which is like vegetables over rice. I'm gonna get the, what am I getting? The bulgogi taco, but it's really a burrito. But I tried a sample of it and it was really good, so I'm excited for that.
She likes cheese.
I do. So we're in line to get dumplings and then we're gonna get my bulgogi. Outside it's freezing.
In here not that much better, but at least not really.
In here is much
I'm
warmer.
feeling so much cold air right here. Because that door is open.
Oh. But in here is like it's so cold today. It's weird because it's been hot all week. And now it's cold. Like my hands are freezing.
See me with them hanging over there.
You're such a weirdo.
It's from Drag Race.
Okay, so when I get the dumplings, I'll show you guys. So we're eating in the car because Shanice is freezing.
You gonna like it or cold?
I am cold, but I could thug it out. How's the food? How's the food? So I'm gonna have my dumplings now. See what's happening with that. The dumplings are nice. I think there's rice noodles in it. So there's people dressed in like little Korean outfits. How cute. Yeah, they're cute. So I just came from the bathroom because I got sauce all over my shoulder. Just because I never liked the sauce. Yeah, it was like vinegar. It was stink. So I just went to the bathroom to get it off. Shanice is running to the car because she cold. So we're gonna get dessert now. So
I don't want it.
we just tried this food on the rice plate.
I don't want it.
I didn't even want to finish chewing. I don't like that at all.
I don't like it.
Oh,
I walked around.
that's not a flavor I want in my mouth.
Is this a line for this?
I think so.
Damn.
The line for the pancakes is eternal. Is this really the line? Wow.
For the pancakes?
I guess it's that good.
Well, at least it's warm right here.
No, it's not. So you mean by the fire? It was delicious.
Oh my god.
And the spicy pork.
No, the spicy pork is amazing.
Wow, the line got longer.
I guess pancakes is where it's at, man.
Yep.
I'm gonna walk around and see if there's any more samples.
Right? We did this all wrong. We should have got the samples first.
And then bottle what we wanted. That pork was amazing.
Agreed, and I don't even like pork.
I'm surprised you even tried it.
Belly, I got at me. For real, whenever I eat pork, my stomach is just like, what have you done?
Because you're not used to it. Okay, my arm hurts and I'm freezing. Well, my hand is freezing, not me.
I'm freezing.
Of course, you're in 2 sweaters, but you're freezing.
No face!
A cola. So we just got back from the Korean Food Festival maybe about 30 minutes ago. It's time for me to go to the gym. I have to walk there and it's cold. I see you get up and go, promise. Promise.
Everybody, lay your hands in the air.
don't know step with that shit. Eyes like a ninja, cut like a razor blade. So fast, other DJs say, damn, make the red ones under our hands. Tell it.
Ice baby. I know that was from a DJ recall. Ice baby. Ice baby. Ice baby. Ice baby. Yo, man, let's get out of here.
Who in this car is tipsy?
Not me. I can actually drive.
Chezzy.
I'm really not.
Shanice, look at Shanice.
I'm not.
Nobody gave a joke. I don't know why you're laughing.
Turn on the light.
You know the homies that can't hang.
Man, I should have pulled up on that girl. High key.
Which girl?
What girl?
Which girl?
You was smiling. I was like, oh.
Which girl?
What girl?
Why didn't you tell us that we could help you?
Blonde girl in the corner.
You mean the one with the bushy eyebrows that sang?
I didn't see any
hell
cute
no.
girls.
I was gonna be like, fam, you don't want that.
It was in like to the left of us.
To the left, to the left.
Who was to the left of us?
Yeah, it was to the left actually.
You mean
Fam,
you mean to the
We
left
were,
of
we,
you?
we were in the corner.
Yeah.
There's nobody to our left.
You remember that lady who sang with her daughter?
Yes.
It was the girl sitting next to them.
Ooh, I didn't see the girl sitting next to him.
I didn't see any cute people.
Oh, she was fired.
Ouch, Charlie. Fire.
Yeah,
Because she was white, you mean?
Yes.
Of course.
not just that.
Yes,
They love
because
that
she was white.
cocaina.
Yes.
Cocaine.
You like that chicken when it's not
I'm not
seasoned.
going
Yes, you are.
No, he wasn't.
You going almost 30.
You're wildin'.
Almost 30.
Yo,
Nigga,
I'm
you
so
was
glad.
speeding?
Take your time, yeah?
Moses, you don't.
I'm
just looking.
my nigga, I'm slowing down.